just came in the mail. This is always a great day. Get stuff in the mail. Got the box opening knife. They get it.
Now the next guy is going to be open, and there are multiple shooters out on the court. You go small, and then you want to double yes. You don't want a triple, and you certainly don't want a quadruple team, Giannis.
We were talked earlier this morning, and Stephen A. Smith made the point after the game last night.
Got new headlight here, as you can see. Broken brackets. It's a story in itself. New. First, you gotta take off the brackets. It was broken in a accident. I'll tell you more about that. That one is broken. This one is broken right here, right there, and the last one is right here. Take that screw out. And the last one is right after a little crying. There you go, it's off. Now I just have to take off the bulbs, the old bulbs, and put the new one on. Reattached all of the lights and put back in. It's a screw, a bolt, another bolt, bolt. You slide that in, and there you go. And you can either use a 10 millimeter socket or wrench, but that's what you're gonna need. So if you like what you saw today, like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good YouTube stuff.